Attention all travelers. Are you ready to revolutionize your travel experience with some mind-blowing gadgets? In this video, I'm about to reveal 5 must-have travel gadgets that will take your adventures to the next level. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss these game-changing items that will make your journey smoother, easier, and way more exciting. Gadget number 1. Compressed towel tablets. Imagine having a clean towel ready whenever you need it, right from your pocket. These tiny tablets expand into full-sized, soft, and absorbent towels with just a bit of water. Made from 99.99% cotton, they're natural, soft, and skin-friendly. They're perfect for any adventure, from camping and hiking to just having a handy towel in your bag for emergencies. Plus, they're reusable up to 3 times, making them eco-friendly too. Simply add water and watch our compressed bath towel tablets expand into soft and absorbent towels in seconds. These towels are disposable, can also be reused 2 to 3 times, reducing your carbon footprint and making them much more friendly to the planet than traditional towels. Compressed bath towel tablets are perfect for traveling and outdoor activities, camping, mountaineering, hiking, and outdoors. Also can be used for offices, schools, hotels, homes, guests, emergencies, and more, as they are easy to carry and use on the go. Gadget number 2. Septix World International Travel Plug Adapter. Tired of lugging around multiple adapters for different countries? This all-in-one adapter is your solution. Compatible with outlets in over 150 countries, it can charge up to 5 devices at once with its universal input, 3 USB 2.4a ports, and 2 USB-C ports. Designed with safety in mind, it features surge protection, an 8A fuse, and even children's electric shock protection. This is a must-have for any globetrotter. Perfect for travel, charging, fast use with cell phones, iPhones, Macs, tablets, iPads, laptops, and other devices anywhere in the world. Easy and convenient, push and slide to use. Gadget number 3. Faaman Antibacterial Paper Soap Sheets. Say goodbye to bulky soap bars and liquid messes. These ultra-portable soap sheets dissolve into a rich lather with a splash of water, ensuring you can wash your hands anytime, anywhere. Perfect for hiking, camping, and family travel. They're safe for all skin types, including kids. Simply take a sheet, add water, rub to lather, rinse, and you're good to go. Clean hands have never been this convenient. This travel soap can be used on all bodies at any time. Kids-friendly and suitable for all skin types, and enjoy clean hands. Gadget number 4. Camping LED Fan with Light. Beat the heat and light up your campsite with this versatile 3-in-1 gadget. The fan offers powerful airflow with 4 different speeds and a 270 degrees rotating tilt head in any direction. The built-in LED light is perfect for nighttime activities, and both the fan and light have their own control settings. The bottom has a 360 degrees swivel table and foldable hooks to hang the tent fan wherever you want. Powered by 40,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it can be fully charged in 8 to 9 hours and provide 8 to 100 hours of duration by inputting 5V3A through the included C-type cable. Use this as a power bank also. Fan and LED lights are running about 80 hours at the middle level. It's not just for camping. Use it at home, in the office, or wherever you need a cool breeze and some light. Gadget number 5. Powerlix Ultralight Inflatable Sleeping Pad. Transform your sleeping experience in the wild with this ultra-comfortable sleeping pad. Measuring 78 by 27 by 3 inches when inflated, it provides excellent support and insulation from the ground. The innovative egg-shaped air cells and built-in pillow are designed to relieve back and neck pressure. The built-in foot pump inflates it in just 30 to 60 seconds, and it deflates just as quickly with a no-leak valve. Weighing only 1.54 pounds and folding down to the size of a water bottle, it's incredibly easy to carry. Including an innovative built-in foot pump, just pedal 30-60s to fully inflate the camping mat, which is convenient and easy. No longer need to inflate with your mouth, hands, or carry a pump, and it only takes 1 second to quickly deflate. With the upgraded version of the air release valve with no leaking film, you shall never worry about air leaking. Our camping pads are equipped with buttons on the side. You can easily connect other ones together to create a double bed, making a wider relaxing space for more comfortable sleeping. Perfect for you to go out camping with your families and friends. Meanwhile, it comes in different colors on each side, more fashionable than others. Whether you're camping, hiking, or backpacking, a good night's sleep is guaranteed. Ready to upgrade your travel gear? Which gadget will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and gear reviews.